All right, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be doing a live trading using the Trade Locker platform. So I'm going to show you guys with this live account as if you had $1,000, right? So we're going to pretend that this is your account. You have $1,000 in your account. You want to start trading. You want to start making profit, start making money. You don't know what to do. So I'm going to show you exactly everything here on this platform. So to be very clear and transparent with everybody, Trade Locker is not the broker, right? Trade Locker is just the trading platform, right? So this is everything. This is charting. This is trades. This is watch list. I mean, it's an all in one platform. Okay. The broker is who you basically choose, right? So obviously I use Osprey. If you're interested in using the same link as me, click the very first link below this YouTube video. It'll redirect you and you can sign up underneath my name. For those that are signed up underneath my name, will in the future will be able to actually copy my trades in my account. So anytime I make a trade on my own account, it actually would copy the same exact trade to your account. But that's only going to work for people that I'm only going to allow those to be able to do that actually used my link and signed up underneath my name. So again, this Trade Locker platform, all these other Forex brokers are starting to use it, right? Because MT4 and MT5 are dying off, right? More and more brokers are basically dropping them. A lot of problems going on with them. I don't want to turn this whole YouTube video into it. Long story short, when I first got into Forex trading and I saw MT4, MetaTrader 4 for the very first time, I thought it was garbage. It was a lot to learn. It wasn't very user friendly. But if I was completely new to Forex trading now and I saw this platform, Trade Locker, I'm like, this is so easy. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. So this is a live account. I have I put $1,000 in this live account for demonstration purposes. If I click this up, it'll basically show me any positions, pending trades, closed profits for the week. And then what you can do here is, and we're going to do this for a live example, right? A lot of people are always like, well, if I have, a lot of people are always like, well, if I only have $300, or if I have $500, or if I have $1,000, or if I have $100,000, how big of a trade can I take? How big of a position? Well, this basically tells you everything right here. So if you're whether you're doing a market order or pending order, it'll actually tell you if you're looking to buy or sell it, right? So it's either market means you just want to jump in right now. A pending basically means you're putting an order out there that if the candle basically comes up to that entry, right? So if the candle basically comes up to your order, it then fills your order, and then obviously keeps going for profit. But in this case, a market basically just means just get me in right now, buy or sell, I don't care. But what's nice is if I have $1,000 account, I can basically say, okay, if I want to take 0.01 lots, it's going to be 19.22%, 192.15. So really, I could basically take the max I could take with $1,000 on US 30 is basically 0.05 lots. So I could take 0.05 lots on US 30, and then that's the most I could take. Now and what's nice about this is whether you do a market order or pending order, for this case, let's do 0.01. Market order, if I say I want to buy it, before I put my order out there, before I hit buy, I could put where I want to take profit, where I want my stop loss. So let's reverse this around. So let's say if I want my stop loss to be, 1%, it's basically saying I'm going to risk $10 to make $30. Okay, so therefore you know exactly how much you're risking. I'm risking $15 to make $25. If I get into the trade right now. And what the nice part is that you don't have to. You can basically say you can override this, right? You can basically say how much you want to risk, right? It tells you right here. If I hover over this, it'll basically say the ticks, the P&L, or the balance. So let's say if I want to risk minus $20, see how it adjusted? It says 2%. Okay? And you can basically do all this before you get into trade. Same thing with pending. Now, pending, obviously, the way this works is you put where you want the order to be, and then let's say you sell, hit boom, execute. Now, it's a pending order. It's only going to get filled if the wicks hit that line. If the wicks hit the dotted line, it's going to get filled. And if I click on this, I can adjust it, or see, now my order's filled. So now I'm in this trade, right? So now I'm actually legitimately in this trade. Okay, now it says I'm down $8, right? I'm down $8 of profit. If I click on this, I can say, oh, I want to put my stop loss right here for 15, and then my take profit we'll put down for, that's actually a horrible take profit. We'll put my take profit for, this is actually a horrible take profit too. We'll put my take profit for 3%. Now, obviously, in this case, I'd have to I'd have to confirm this, right? So I now can confirm it. Boom, it stopped me out. It shows you right here at the bottom. I basically took a $15 trades. It'll show you for the day. Refresh this. Basically show you I took a $16 loss on this trade. Okay. Now that was obviously a pending order. Okay. But let's say if I do a market order, right? A market order just means just get me in right now. So if I do a market order, boom, we can do a market order here, right? And this basically means just put me in the trade right now. I'm just looking to jump in. I'm not looking to do a pending order or anything like that. I'm instantly in this trade right now. Okay, so obviously a pending order is great for those that are just trying to get in the trade really fast. And again, same thing when you open this up, you can choose where you want your stop loss to be, or the great part is that you can click on this and a two, and then you can hit your stop loss. So where you want your stop loss to be. So let's say I want my stop loss at the bottom of this wick, and then my take profit, 20. So this is obviously a one-to-one trade, which means I'm risking 20 to make 20, and then you would hit obviously confirm. And now at any moment if I click on this, it will show me my stop loss and my take profit, and I can adjust these at any given time. Okay, I could adjust these at any given time. Or I could just basically just delete them. So let's say if I don't want to stop loss anymore, I could basically delete those. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense for you guys on how to enter these trades and put stop loss, take profit, and whatnot. So yeah, TradeLocker is a fantastic trading platform. They got a lot of bigger updates and bigger things coming for this. So yeah, stay tuned, and we're actually going to close out this trade because it is actually a losing trade right now. So to basically another nice way to close out of these is you could just hit the X. You see the little X right here. You can just hit the X, and then boom, we're out. But for the case of this video, because I do see this thing keep going to sell off. Again, if we did max, right? Let's say you did max right here. So basically, I'm in max position, and this thing's dropping right now. And a lot of times what I do with my trades, guys, is when my trades go, right, when my trades go in profit, what I'll do is I'll do my stop loss no matter what to some sort of profit, right? So now in this case, I'm gonna close this trade out. Boop, look at that. Basically just made back my entire loss that I took. So my count, I basically on the day technically took a fucking, let's see, close positions day, boom, boom, boom. So total P&L, we're down $7. No big deal. We'll make that bitch back really fast. But that's just how fast and awesome this trading platform is, guys. This is the future of trading. If for those that are still using MT4, MT5, enjoy it while you can, because eventually it's going to be dead across the board on all brokers. I guarantee it. So again, this is awesome. It's great platform. Kudos to those that built it, that designed it. Again, if you guys are interested in signing up underneath the same link as me to be able to have the option to do the copy trading in the future, is going to be the very first link. Very first link below this YouTube video. Sign up with the same broker as me, so that way you're affiliated with my link. Again, once they launch the copy trading, that's where we're going to be running it up from 300 to $1 million. Again, US 30, dirty 30 still dropping here. Maybe could have held on a little bit longer, made a little bit more profit with it, but that's all right because nobody goes broke taking profits. So hopefully this video helps and educates you guys. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below. And remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.